Welcome everyone. In this video, we will solve a very good numerical which is based on the differential amplifier concept, in which we have to find the differential and common mode gain. So in this circuit, already given the circuit is given, and the some well-known facts like some current gain beta 100, Vt 26 millivolt, base emitter voltage 0.7 volt, and Vc saturation 0.1 volt is given. Okay, so we have to determine the value of Rc, the Rc resistance. Okay, we have to find this Rc value. Okay, for and Re, this Re also, and we have to find the Rc and Re value that will satisfy the following specification, means the gain double ended differential mode gain, that is our AD, that is our, this one is nothing but simply AD. Okay, AD is 500 already given. Okay, so this AD is given. Okay, and the differential mode input resistance, the input resistance given. Okay, that is our, we can say this one is ZI. Okay, so what is input resistance, I will tell you everything, and we have to determine the value of VCC and VE. So these are the things we have to find in this question. So for before that, we will go for some formula. Okay, so for example, the differential gain, that is AD, is nothing but simply minus GNRC. Okay, and the value of AD, which is minus GMRC, how it come? Differential mode gain. This one is our differential mode gain. So this differential mode gain is nothing but simply the differential mode output V naught 1 minus V naught 2 by what, V in 1 minus V in 2. So this value is given minus GMRC. So for the time being, okay, I will prove this one in very fast manner, but it numerical will take time. So I am also giving the fundamental brief. So this AD, the differential output voltage, that is our V naught 1 minus V naught 2 by V in 1 minus V in 2. I am just deriving this one because these are very important. So, and V naught 1. Now for this V naught 1 calculation, we have to go for the AC analysis. Okay. So for this AC analysis case, this transistor, okay, so I am just selecting the entire region. Okay, okay, now for the AD value, what we have to do, we have to go for the small signal analysis. For this purpose, we must need a small signal analysis. We have to go for the a small signal analysis. I am just doing all the theory also in this question. So for the small signal analysis, what we have to do, we have to just make ground the DC voltages. Okay, so I'm just making the ground. Okay, this should be 0. Okay, input will be okay, and this will be also grounded. Okay, so first I have to erase it. It should be grounded. Okay, so not a big deal. Okay, so now if we draw the what, S equivalent. So if we draw the S equivalent, how it looks like, this voltage say V in 1, and I'm just writing R pi 1 for transistor. Say this one is a Q1 transistor, Q2 transistor, this one say Q1 transistor, Q2 transistor. Okay, and then after, okay, this one for transistor RC V naught 1. Okay, and it will be connected together. And for the transistor RC, V02, this one is our RC, and one current control current source, okay, and one all system. Okay, this one is very easy, and we can make it resistance RE, okay, and this value will be R pi 2, and this value will be V pi 2. It is very simple, but you have to take care of all these steps. I am writing like that. Okay, so this one is the S equivalent model. Okay, so one can easily say the value of V naught 1, V naught 1, or this value first, right? This value, this one is nothing but simply our what? This one, this current GM V pi 2, and this current is nothing but simply GM V pi 1. Okay, I am taking the mesh transistor, otherwise you have to write GM1, GM2, not a big deal. Okay, in the in we have to take GM1 equals to GM2 equals to GM. Okay, so one can write V naught 1 when some current is going like that. Okay, so this V naught 1 equals to minus GM1 V pi 1 into RC. Okay, minus this value V naught 2 equals to minus of GM2 V by 2 into RC whole divided by V in 1 minus V in 2. So V in 1 is nothing but simply this voltage V by 1, and this end is nearly virtual ground. So this value, say this VE is nearly 0. So V in 1 is nothing but simply V pi 1 minus V pi 2. Okay, it is very simple thing. This V in 1 is same as that of V pi 1, and V in 2 is nothing but simply V pi 2, because this whole int will be virtual ground. I have already discussed this thing, virtual ground. So this one will be 0, so V in 1 will be same as that of V pi. Okay, so now we can easily say by say this equation 1. Okay, I am writing from equation 1. From equation 1, what we can write? Again, I am just focusing on this equation number 1. Okay, so for this purpose, what we have to write from equation 1? Okay, I have to select the pencil first. This AD value, AD will be, take GM1, GM2, GM, because all are symmetrical one, and RC will be same, so we can take like minus GM common and RC, because GM1, GM2, GM, so this value will be V pi 1 minus V pi 2. Okay, and this will be V pi 1 minus V pi 2. So the differential gain will be simply minus GMRC, which is already I have derived, but I am just doing all these things for just a practice. If someone is new, then they have to know this concept. Okay, so it should be this formula I will use. That's why I have proved this concept also. Okay, now next, this one is all about the differential gain. Differential mode gain. Okay, now next, one more formula I am writing, AC, common mode gain. Okay, so if we find the common mode gain, it should be minus RC by what, twice times of RE. So can I have to prove, or okay, I am just trying to prove this concept also. So in this one, I am again taking the circuit. Okay, so this one is the circuit also. So in this case, again we have to go for the AC analysis. Okay, but in this case the input will be common. So I am just making it common input. Okay, so just so we can say this one is nothing but simply our V in, and this in will be grounded. This will in will be grounded, and this in also grounded. Okay, so this should be grounded. Okay, so this one AC value is for this one. If we solve this one, it will come this one for common mode gain. When input is common, common mode gain. Okay, how it will come? Okay, I am giving you a quick view, means how to do this one. Then after we will solve the numerical. The numerical will take 10 to 15 minutes, but we have to go for some more basic. Every time try to practice it. Okay, so in this case what we have to do again, there is a transistor. So try to make a resistance, say R pi 1. This value is V pi 1, and this one is nothing but simply our V in. Okay, very similar to the differential one, but it will come, the output will come slightly sorry, the gain will come minus twice Re by, sorry, minus Rc by twice Re. How? That I will show you. Rc, say V naught 1, and this value will be gm time of V pi 1. Okay, and one more Rc, this one gm V pi 1, both V pi 2. Okay, for transistor 2, this one Q1, Q2. Every time practice this concept. Okay, then connect together these 2 points and one RE, and this will be same input V in 2, and this value will be V pi 2. So this one is the model. Okay, V not 2, like that. Okay, now what we have to do? So what we can say, this V in and this potential, say this potential, say VE. Okay, both emitter. This point is E1, E2. Okay, so I am saying this one is VE. So what we can write? V in. Now suppose if we apply KVL, so this voltage is, I am saying VE. Okay, so if we apply KVL in this loop, okay, like that, clear, in this black one. So then what we can write? Okay, I am selecting V in minus V pi 1 minus VE equals to 0. Okay, by applying KVL, then V in equals to 1 can write V pi 1 plus VE. Okay, this part is clear. Very simple concept is there. Now we have to think about the term VP. Sorry, VE. So this VE can be written as, this current is more or less some IE current and IE current, and in this one it will go twice IE. So we can write VE, this voltage is nothing but simply RE, this RE times twice IE. Okay, RE times twice IE. Okay, or this VE we can write simply twice IE RE. Okay, now we have to write the value of IE, IE value. So IE value means this one is current. So this current and this current will be IE. So one can write IE value equals to GM V pi, this current, plus V pi by R pi 1, this current. Okay, simple. You We have to focus on this part only. I am just adding it. Okay, and these two current. Okay, one current GMV pi, because this one. Okay, I am just once again one, this current due to this resistance, and this one is IE. So one is GMV pi, and this one is R pi, and V pi is the voltage. So V pi by R1. So this current will be V pi by R pi 1 and GMV pi. Okay. So V in, it is very simple. Okay, or we can write like that. Okay. So this VE value is this one, and one can write twice. IE is nothing but simply GM plus 1 by R pi into V pi RE. Okay, or one can write this as a twice GM V pi RE. Okay, because I am selecting 1 by R pi is but much lesser than GM. So one can write twice GM. We can neglect this thing to 0, because this value is 1 by R pi. Okay, 1 by some several kilo ohm, so it should be nearly 0. So for that timing, we can write this one twice times of RE GM V pi. Okay, this VE value, we are just interested in this VE value. So now VE value is almost calculated as this one. So for the simplification purpose, we have eliminated this one. So V in equals to V pi 1, that is our simply V pi we can write. Okay, and VE is twice GM V pi RE. Okay, after that I will not prove any other. Okay, but this one is also important. So then it should be V pi 1 plus twice GM RE, or we can write as this one is nearly equals to V pi into twice GM RE. Okay, V in is okay. Now V naught, and V naught 1, any one, so minus GM RC into V pi 1. Okay, anyone, V naught 1. We can simply write, I have already written. Then V naught 1 by V in, common input V in. So it should be V pi and V pi 1 all same, twice GM RE. So this V pi cancel, and this GM can cancel out. So common mode gain is nothing but simply minus RC by twice RE, the simplified one. Okay, so this one is too important formula, we can say, that I have already proved, but basically in the numerical it came in GATE 1992. So this one is also important. So I am just done all these thing. Okay, so now if there is one more formula, okay, but CMR I am just writing, that is our AD, differential gain by common mode gain. Okay, now we have to go for the numerical part. Okay, theory part is almost over. Now in the question it is given input impedance, which is basically our ZI is 2 mega ohm. Okay, so in this differential amplifier, input impedance is nothing but simply this impedance ZI. So what should be the impedance? Okay, so in this one there is a R pi 1 R pi. Okay, and if we go from like that, okay, so what should be the input impedance? Nothing but simply R pi plus R pi, 2 R pi. Because if we look from this side, okay, Zi. So one resistance, this one due to virtual ground, it should be 0. Just leave it for the timing. But this one is one resistance R pi and one more resistance R pi in that side. So these two resistance will X. So it should be Zi 2 R pi. So Zi will be twice R pi. So from there it should be twice of R pi. So R pi 2 cancel. So we have already find the value of R pi. That is our 1 mega ohm. Okay. First thing we got. Now we have to know the value of R pi. R pi. So we have already know R pi equals to beta by Gm. I am not proving because every time in every video I am writing this type of concept beta plus 1 Re R pi, that we have to know if we are the electronics person. Re alpha by Gm, Gm Ic by beta, Ic by Vt. Okay. So this beta value is given. Beta value is given. I think 100. Okay, 100. Okay. Gm is unknown, but R pi is known. Now R pi is known 1 mega ohm. Okay. So from there we can easily find the value of Gm. Gm value 1 mega means 10 to power 6 by, okay, 10 to power minus 6. Directly we can write. Or wait, I am just from here what we can write. Gm, take it here, 100 by 1 mega ohm means 100 by 10 to power 6, or one can write 100 into 10 to power minus 6, and if you multiply by 10 by 10. Okay. So what will be the answer? 10. I am just 10 by 10. So 3, so we can write it 0 0.1, 1 by 10, 0.1 into 10 to power minus 3, because every time we are generally writing the gm term in millisiemens, so gm will be in 0.1 millisiemens. That's why I've done this thing. Okay. So up to this one is clear. R pi, because this thing we have to know. So gm value is there, R pi value we have already calculated. Okay. Now in the question, now just see the question. In the question, AD is given 500 gain. So we have to find the RCRE. AD is given. So just write AD. AD is 500 gain is given. Its value will be minus GM RC. So what we have to do? We have to just solve. Don't take it just modulus for the calculation. Okay. Taking modulus, so it should be 500 minus gm, so just write 0.1 into 10 to the power minus 3 by rc. So simply we can write rc equals to 500 by 0.1 into 10 to the power 3. It should be 0 here, so one can write 5 into 10 to the power 6, so it should be 5 mega ohm. So rc value will be 5 mega ohm. Is it okay? rc value 5 mega ohm. Clear. Two things we have to find, RC and RE. So RC value is now known to us. Okay, and we have to find the RE value. Okay. So now the value of CMRR in the question is given, I think. Okay, the value of CMRR is given. Okay, I have forget to write the value of CMRR. CMRR is given. Okay, CMRR is given. I think 500. Voltage gain and differential gain and CMRR is also given. Because for the RE value we must need CMRR. Sorry. So this CMRR equals to AD by SE. So AD by SE value is given 500. AD value is 500. So SE value will be 1. Okay, very simple. common mode gain. AC will be 1. There are so many things. If you able to make this question, so many concept will be clear. Now AC. Now AC value equals to, already derived the formula for current, sorry, this mode gain by twice of RE. Take modulus RC by twice RE, because we are interested in the resistance only. So RE value will be RC by twice AC. So RC value already calculated now, 5 mega. So write it, 5 mega ohm by twice AC value is 1. So it should be 2.5 mega ohm. So RE value will be 2.5 mega ohm. Okay, so I'm again highlighting, because in the first part, these are the things we have to find. Okay, now in the next part we have to find the what? Okay, pencil, VCC and VEE we have to find. Okay, for this purpose, what we have to do? VCC and VEE we have to find. Okay, so okay, I'm just putting here. Now for this purpose, what we have to do? I am first. Okay, this one is VCC. Okay, this one is VCC. All this thing is there. Okay, so first, what we have to do? First, try to apply KVL in this loop. KVL in loop 1. I am writing here. So if we are applying KVL in loop 1, so what we what we will write? So now for this value, we have to go for the DC analysis. So DC analysis, so we have to keep this V in 1 to 0. So it should be 0. Now we are doing DC analysis. Okay. So this one will be 0. So it should be 0 minus this voltage plus of minus VBE. So minus VBE minus twice IERE, twice IE, because one IE coming here and one IE coming here. So minus twice IE RE minus VEE equals to 0. Is it okay? So one can write this as a minus 0.7 minus twice IE. Okay. So write twice IE. RE value we have already find, 2.5 गुने 10 to power 2.5 into 10 to power 6. Okay, minus VEE. Okay, but here see, now there are two unknown, IE and other one is also VEE. We have to find. So we have to first find the value of IE. So how to find IE? This one is the concept. So as we know, R pi equals to beta RE. This R pi equals to beta plus 1 RE, or we can write R pi equals to beta by GM, or beta GM equals to IC by VT, IC by VT, because R pi is known, VT is known, beta is known, so we can find the value of IC. Is it okay or not? Okay, and IC, or we can write beta, it should be IC equals to beta IB. Okay, so beta beta cancel. So IB value will be VT by R pi. VT 26 millivolt by R pi. R pi we have calculated. The value of R pi is already the very first beginning 1 mega ohm. Okay, R pi. Wait, R pi here 1 mega ohm. Okay, so 1 mega ohm. So if we solve this one, so I solve this one, so it will come around 26 nano ampere. Okay, So this one is IB. Now we can say IC value. Okay, now it should be beta IB. So beta value is given 100 into this 26 nano ampere. So it is around 2.6 microampere. Then IE value is nothing but simply IB plus IC. So if we add 26 nano ampere plus 2.6 microampere, so it will come around, I am not doing all calculation, 2.626 microampere. Okay, so IE value is now 2.626 microampere. Okay, and then if we solve this one, the IE value final, IE value is already known to us. So by putting this IE value, VEE value will become around minus 12.01. Okay, I am not doing the calculation part, but if we go from like that, it will definitely come the value of VEE by using this concept. Okay, I am highlighting because in this one there are two unknown, VEE and IE. Okay, so for this purpose we need the value of IE. If we know the VIE value, so for IE we have to go for this one. Okay, IB value if we are above, so IC beta IB, then I sum. Okay, so VEE value will be minus 12.0. Now so VCC value will be also very same as that of VEE. So it will come nearly around 12 volt. For this purpose, you can do one more thing. You have to apply KVL in this part. In this part. Okay, say this one is loop 2. KVL in loop 2. Okay, both will be same 12 volt. Okay, so KVL in loop 2. So what we can write? KVL in loop 2, it is very simple. We have to write VCC. Okay, I am selecting like VCC minus ICRC minus VCE, because in the question it is already given minus VCE minus twice IE RE minus VEE. Now we have the value of VEE. Okay, so now from here we can simply find VCC is VEE plus ICRC plus VCE plus twice IE RE. By putting all values, it will come nearly 12 volt. Okay, so this one is all about this very good question, and this question came in the GATE 1992 question. So we have already find the value of VCC around 12 volt. This one is 12 volt. Okay, the RC value, how much we have find the value of RC? So just check RC value. RC and RE. RC 5 mega ohm and 2.5 mega ohm. RC value 2.5 mega ohm. Okay, no, RC 5, sorry, RC will be 5 mega ohm. RC will be 5 mega ohm and RE 2.5 mega ohm. Okay, and VCC and V, but we have to know all these simple fundamental formula, because every time this formula I have derived this one, but in the numerical there is, we have to know this type of formula, and input impedance is given 2 mega ohm. So 2 mega ohm that was twice R pi. So like that we can solve the numerical. Okay, and thank you for watching.